Are you thinking of buying a house? The first thing people do is they go online and see if it is a good financial decision. Buying a house is not a financial decision. Buying a house is an emotional decision. Buying a house is a lifestyle decision. If you want to buy a house, why do you want to buy a house? Do you want to buy a house because when you are in your 50s, 60s, you have a place which you can give to your kids? Do you want to buy a house because you want to feel you own something and it feels like home because you own it? You want to buy a house because you like doing decorative things, or you like doing things which you cannot do in a place where you are renting, right? So if you are buying house, think about those things. Also think about things like, are you okay if there is a maintenance for the house? Are you good with that? Do you want to spend your time calling insurance, or a paint person, or a gardener, or whatever things you need to do when you buy a house? So I don't, and I love renting, and I'll probably keep renting for the rest of my life. But if you are somebody who is considering buying the house, make sure you are buying it for the right emotional reason. Because if you just think about financial reason, it's not going to make a huge difference in your finances if you're just buying one house and living in it, but it will definitely make a huge difference in how you live your life. So don't forget, buying a house is an emotional decision, and follow for more.